I think the best thing about the Wangetti Trail is it's going to make nature more accessible for more people. In this particular spot where we are right now, this was a very degraded area, so it's really cool that the trail has enabled that restoration process to happen. In terms of the species selection, I do research on what would have been here pre-colonisation, and also we worked with the traditional owner groups, made sure that the species we're planting they agree with, and also that they're things that they want to see more of. So we've got lots of bush tucker trees, medicine trees, and then obviously things like these lamandras and the strappy grasses that we have alongside the track. They're really good for erosion control, so they'll help keep the track together.
The whole thing just kind of makes perfect sense. It's a really long-term project, which I think is fantastic for conservation, fantastic for local tourism, local identity. I think it's a great event here.
It's nice to know that when it opens, I'll walk along and be able to tell my kids, I planted that one and I planted that one.
Looking forward to it being finished. I think it's just going to be an area that people will love to walk along and explore, and just nice for people to be able to come somewhere that's quite accessible and just be beautiful to see the views, and I'm sure it'll be a success. Yeah.
Tree planting is absolutely pivotal to ensure that we are restoring the natural environment so that we can connect back in and step out of everyday busy life and plant seeds of sustainability in the ways that we think about nature.